Hi everyone, Glama here. So as you can see, I got my furniture in. Yay! There's my headboard and there's my long dresser right there, and I've got another dresser there. I've got two nightstands on each side of the bed, so I just wanted to show y'all my furniture. Remember I said I was so excited to show you guys. I'll give you a room tour later. I just wanted to show you that it finally came in, and this is what the backdrop would look like if I did my tutorials in this room. And I also wanted to show you something that I learned from, I think her name is Mikey, and she has a YouTube channel called Glam and Gore, and she showed a really super easy way to do cut crease eyeshadow. See, and so I tried it today. I watched the tutorial last night and I tried it today, and it's so super easy, because that's basically what this channel is. It's not me saying that I am a beauty guru and that I know how to do these things. If you watch my very first introductory video, you'll see that this channel is basically my journal, my vlog, my video log journal of me learning new tips and tricks about makeup, about health, fitness, anything, hair, skin, nails, whatever. So that's basically what this channel is. It's not me really trying to teach y'all how to do your makeup, but it's just me journaling what I'm learning. So I just wanted to show you this cut crease eyeshadow look that I learned watching Glam and Gore's video last night. Her name is Mikey, like I said. So yeah, you can either go watch her channel and watch how she does it, or you can let me know down below if you want me to show you how I did it. Alrighty guys, I just wanted to show y'all my room. I'm so excited. It's so pretty. Obviously hashtag really likes it too. Okay, let me know down below if you want to see how I got this super easy, like under 1 minute cut crease shadow look. Alrighty, I love you. Bye. Mwah.